Good morning, members of the press. We as men, we are handing we are handing to men's conference. Now, as men, we are urging all men to carry their book and pen because they have to write it down where we are discussing in the men's conference. Now, we want to sign it for 1 minute for the foreign soldiers, the men who have died in the line of duty. Yani mwanaume anaenda na mwanamke unasikia amekufa vibaya sana. 1 minute of silence. Thank you. Another thing, we feel so insecure because tunasikia kuna wamama wasichana wanapanga kuja kudisrupt mkutano ya men's conference. Wanasema tunaenda wakati wa Valentine. Washindwe sana. So tunaomba serikali itupe security.
Yes.
We want security.
Yes.
We want security. Serikali ingilie kati. Now, kuna wanaume, we as men, kuna mtu who we will not allow in the men's conference. Yes. Number 1, party. You cannot have 14 days of Valentine then unakuja men's conference. How?
You are saying how?
How? It cannot happen. Another man, Edgar Obare. Atatoboa siri. Huyu atakuja atomboe siri. Hatumtaki. The guest of honor.
Yes.
Kambiwan Jesus. He will come and tell us mwanamke anakuweka aje kwa billboard. Mwanamke wetu tunataka watuweke kwa billboard.
Yes.
Hata Audi gari. How? He is the guest of honor. Now, MC atakuwa Eric Omondi. Eric Omondi yeye atakuja tuelezee how wife material.
How do you see that?
Eric Omondi. So, these are men wenye hatutataka na vile iko.
Yes.
You can end. If you have a point, you can end.
Yes, I am the Secretary General of this men's conference, and I am saddened by the men who are being kept. Yes, those are like Illuminati. How can a woman keep you? How? So they will not be attending the men's conference. Yes.
Okay. On my part, we are working very closely with the transport sector in the terms of setting fares. Nowadays, we will not be setting fares to anybody who wants to meet us or come to our place. We now be paying cash on delivery. Once the woman or the lady gets in your house, that's the time that you will be paying the money for transport. How is that? Now that's one of the issues that we'll address in the men's conference. Yes.
And how to avoid expensive dinners.
Yes.
Expensive dinners.
Yes.
We should avoid them as much as we can to save. To save.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, I think we can go.